welcome back. As we said, we are going to look at the system unit, and I said we are to tackle 5 components. In my previous YouTube channel, I did the power supply units. Now, this time I want to show you about the how to remove the memory cards from the memory card slots, and also how to return the memory cards. So, as you can see here, we have 2 slots. We have slot 1 and slot 2, where memory cards have been attached. So in order to remove those memory cards from the slots, there is some clips. If you can see, there are white clips on both sides. So you unclip the clips, you unclip the clips, then you just take the memory card. As you can see, this is the memory from the first slot. So also you can take the other one. We say that you remove the clips first, you unclip, and then you do what? You remove the memory card. So as you can see, this one is a 1 GB RAM. So, and also after removing, when you want to replace it back, make sure that you do it accurately. Get back to where exactly you removed that RAM. So for example, this one came from the first slot. So while the clips are open, you return it, the memory, the RAM, then you do what? Then you clip that way. As you can see, it cannot be removed easily. Then the same with this, while it is unclipped, you return, make sure you return it correctly. The RAM you can do, and then do what? You make sure you clip those the RAM, so that you cannot be able to do what? To remove. So as you can see, even if I try to remove, it cannot do what? Be removed, because I've clipped them very gently and in the correct manner. So that is how you remove and replace memory cards.